Today we're tearing down the Samsung Galaxy A20. This red color looks very festive. In Chinese culture, red symbolizes good luck. First, power the phone off. We'll heat the back cover for 10 minutes. Using the PolarTech Magic Self-Heating Pad. Time's up. Start by inserting a thin metal blade into the gap. Add some alcohol to soften the adhesive. Once the gap is wide enough, switch to a plastic pick. Slide it around the edges to cut the back cover adhesive. If you feel resistance, add more alcohol. The back cover is plastic, so there's no need to stress too much. Let's also remove the old adhesive while we're here. Now remove all the screws. There are 13 screws in total. The mid-frame is secured with clips. First, take out the SIM tray. Let's decide where to start unclipping. We'll begin near the SIM tray area. Use a plastic pry tool. Or honestly, your fingernail works well too. Be careful with the fingerprint cable here. Disconnect the fingerprint flex first. The mid-frame includes the loudspeaker and several antenna components. Start by disconnecting the battery connector. Next, disconnect the motherboard FPC, then the display FPC. This one is the motherboard flex. And this is the display flex. Now remove the two coaxial cables. The white one connects to the signal board. Disconnect the blue one first. Now we can remove the charging subboard. Next, remove the signal board. It's connected to the white coax cable. Now let's move on to the motherboard. Remove the front camera first. There's a screw here that needs to come out. Now the motherboard can be lifted out. If the rear camera module feels stuck, apply some heat and it will come free. Let's take a closer look at the motherboard. Now it's time to remove the battery. We'll need to heat it slightly again. Use a thin metal pry tool from the side. If it doesn't move, apply more heat. This battery is a bit stubborn. Here is the earpiece speaker. And don't forget the vibration motor. That completes the teardown. Now the screen assembly is completely bare. Let's line up all the parts for a family photo. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more repair guides.